Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 8th of May 2014 market review. As you can see, the Dow closed 117 points positive at 16,518 points. The Nasdaq was a bit down 13 points, and the S&P 500 was 10 points up. Due to this 117 points, is because Alan said interest rates hikes will not arise at this moment, and that's why the American markets actually rise as well as the Chinese import and export numbers were better than last year, and they actually went up. And you will see that Australia is also positive today with about 0.6% for the day. So we could see a bit of a mixed market, but most probably positive market opening today after our elections. Markets were closed on election day yesterday on Wednesday. Shares to look at is Pinnacle. Now line A is a price of 14.75 and line B will be 13 Rand. Now very important about the share, there could be a possibility for the share to bounce from this low levels if it is on 13 Rand to basically move higher to a level of 13.12, 13.29, 13.35 to almost our 15 Rand. The current stop loss level will be about 12 Rand 25. Please look at that level of 12 Rand 25. Where you can see the small cycles in the share currently happening on Pinnacle. Another share is called Able. Able did get a bit of a hiding the last week in the markets. Now line A here will be indicated as a 9 Rand 80 level, a quite low level at this moment. As you can see, there were support levels there, and this 9 Rand 80 will be a low level at this moment. There could be opportunity for the shares to start rising again to 9.90, 10.05, 10.17 to almost a level of 11 Rand 25. Please use your stop loss level at 9 Rand 25 would the share want to go further downwards. Let's go and look at the J200 or the top 40 shares from the JSE, and you'll basically see quite toppish at this moment. There's the red line and the green line. If you zoom in, you're going to basically see there's all the uncertainty in the direction of the markets currently. One day up, one day down, one day up, one day down. We could expect most probably a bit of upward movement happening here for the day on the futures, but let's see how the markets open. The ALSI 40 opens at 8:30 in early morning. Retailers, Shoprite. Now Shoprite did come a bit down in this positive channel. There's the positive channel, the two green lines. Red line here is a resistance level. 170 is still a very important level to follow, but the big support level will be 166 Rand 52. At any time if it breaks, that downward cycle will happen. Expectation a bit of a sideways, most probably a bit of a small push upwards, but let's see where the market will take the specific share at this moment. Indication is quite still high at this moment as it comes down here. So let's check this one closely. Mr. Price. Mr. Price also on the top step, starting to come down. Low years on the green line, you have 153.85. Shares trading at 157. So let's see where the markets will take this one in the short term as well. Through it, as you can see, two green lines, that's the channel going up. Shares trading at 86 Rand at this moment. Quite high on indicators, indicating the share could come a bit down in value very soon. RSI is quite high, and the stochastic is also quite topish. So let's see if a bit of a negative trade will happen here. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to call this up here, and you would have seen it in Shoprite as well. Look at this channel on the top there. Very important to follow. At any time if it breaks this 87 bucks, then you will see reversal back to the 100 Rand. But currently it's very close to the blue line on the top there. Banking sector, Barclays Bank, one I'm tracking very closely at this moment. Look at this green line, look at this red line, resistance, support. Now, the channel did get smaller, huge movement, and suddenly it got smaller because of uncertainty. Anytime it breaks this low here, next lows will be here 150 Rand, about 149. Bigger support level here is at 147.64. At any time if it breaks that, then you can get downward cycles. The share is currently testing the previous highs for the last year. Looking at the indicators starting to come off a bit as well. Look at the stochastics coming a bit off as well. So let's track this one closely for any movements. Capitec as expected on our last expectation. Share did physically come down here. I just want to see on the candles here. You will basically see the market did move up. Momentum started to lose there. This 220 is a very important support level. At any time if it breaks it, it will definitely come back down here. So MTN, now I'm going to go back to the price graph of MTN, and as you can see, we talked about this green line that supports, red line is high. Currently the share did break this red line upwards, so the expectation is from 12.16 back to 12.18. Not a lot of trading opportunity in this one in the short term, except when it breaks the highs in 218, 219 range for the short term traders. But it's quite toppish at this moment. Look at this, still breaking up. So it was broken up there. Expectation was it would start trading in here. My opportunity, I would rather wait on this share for any trading upwards or downwards. Vodacom, keep a close eye on this share. Share fell a lot. Bargain hunters came in, came a bit down. Now bargain hunters is coming out. This red line on 127.41 will be very, very important to follow. At any time if it breaks this 128, 127.50 levels, there could be opportunity of an upward channel. But confirm that it breaks it upwards. Confirm that it breaks it upwards. Looking at the indication, there could be an upward. If this breaks the minus 60% on the wooden percentage, upward movement could happen. Look at this one starting to follow up here as well. And on the RSI, look at your stochastics also breaking up. So let's keep a close eye on this current market for any upwards or downward swings at this moment. And let's see where the market could take us for the next day or two. Today job figures will be due late afternoon, and remember the South Africa election figures will be due on the 10th of May. Will be this coming Saturday. Then most of the data will be coming through. Traders, enjoy your day, and have a chat later on.